objects explaining how they work are getting millions of views. And once you see how these videos are made, you realize how simple this really is. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Object Maker and open it. Once it opens, type any object you want to make a video about. Phone, remote, headphones, even food. The GPT instantly gives you everything you need. One main prompt for the object you entered and 4 related prompts to that object. It also gives you short scripts for each one. Now copy the main text to image prompt. Open an AI image generator and paste the prompt. Set the canvas to 9:16 for shots. Use a high resolution so the image looks clean and professional. Generate the image. Repeat the same process for the remaining 4 prompts. You'll now have a full set of consistent character images. Next, turn these images into videos. Open an image to video tool. In the input box, type something like "the character is speaking," then paste the matching script right after it and generate. Do this for each image. Now you have short animated clips where everyday objects talk, explain themselves, or comment on human behavior. Import all clips into any editing software. Add simple fade in and fade out transitions. Export the final video. That's it.
I've been here longer than you remember, absorbing time through my skin, and I'm still useful, even if you keep pretending I'm invisible. I was fresh once too, and look at me now, waiting for you to care before I wilt on principle.
I feel every hour passing in my crust, and your hesitation smells like mold waiting to happen.